Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve the problem minimum time to make rope coverful from the LeetCode. So before going into the problem, uh, I recommend you to try for at least 20 minutes, and if you couldn't able to solve, then you can come and watch the video tutorial. So if you practice this way, then only you can improve your problem solving skills. And first we will understand the problem, and I think today is 27 December and you are maintaining your streak very well, and I wish you can continue this streak in the next year as well. First, we will understand the problem, then we will go with the intuition, then we will see the high level of the coding part. First, Alish has given n balloons arranged on a row. So he has given some balloons and they are arranged in a row. You are given 0 indexed string colors. So color is the every index color, and color of I is the color of the ith balloon. Okay. Now Alice wants the rope to be colorful. She does not want two consecutive balloons to be of same color. If my both colors are blue, then he doesn't want this. So every adjacent color should be different. Now Alice Bob now you can see she asked Bob for help. She's asking Bob for help. Now Bob can remove some colors from the rope to make it colorful. He can remove, suppose if you have these three colors, he can remove few colors, but he will take the needed time. So if you want to remove this color, he has some particular time. If you want to remove this color, he has some particular time. Now we need to return the time Bob needs to make the color rope colorful. Now we need to return the minimum amount of time. And here important note is that here vacant site is not considered as a gap. Suppose if you have three balloons, and if I am removing only this balloon, you are saying that this seat is vacant. Now if this seat is vacant, this is not considered as an adjacent. Now these two are adjacent, that's it. This vacant seat will get disappear. Now these balloons will come adjacent. So this is the meaning of this statement. So we need to take care of that. Now I think you understood this question. You can try for some time. I think you have tried for a couple of minutes. Now let's solve. Now if you can see, for the past 3 days LeetCode is giving us the DP problems. So most of you are thinking this is going to be a DP problem. So before going into the DP, let's fail the greedy. This is the same approach we will follow everywhere. So if you want to go to dynamic programming, we should fail the greedy approach, and then we need to go to the dynamic program. Same with the interviews. The interview to fail the DP, then fail the grade, then only interviewer will allow you to go for the DP. If you are going directly to the DP, then you will think you know this problem or you have solved this problem beforehand. Now we will see. Now we have A, B, A, A, C. Here the same character means the same color. Consider that, because now in the above example, now we have these two colors, both are same, which the 3 and 4. 3 and 4, my minimum is 3, so we are removing 3. Now my all are different colors. Now if you see here, these both are same, these both are same. Now these are same. Now he is saying that my 1 and 2, which is minimum, my 1 is minimum, 4 and 1 is minimum, which is 2. Bob need 2 operations to make this is colorful. So here you are given the constraints. Now let's see. Now let's see with this example. Now if you have 4 reds, you can this pattern, in this pattern. Now if I want to remove, you can have the needed time. Needed time can be anything. Now in 4 colors, how many maximum colors you can remove? Maximum colors you can remove. Suppose if I am removing these two colors, my modified will be only these two, right? Oh, sorry, these two. But these are adjacent, which are same colors. You can't remove 2 as well. If you remove 3, if you remove these two and you are removing this, then I have left with only one color. Then I am only left with one color. Yeah, that is a valid statement. Suppose if you have 3 colors, then how many colors you can remove? How many colors? If you think, if you remove this color, then my these two colors are adjacent to each other, which is not making my array colorful. Now if I remove two colors, if I remove this color, I am left with only one color. So this is making my array colorful. Or else I can remove this color, then this color and this color. If I remove these two or these two, I can remove anything. Now same with here. Now you will think Now you will think, if my array is like that, you will remove this color or this color, then my array will be beautiful. No, you should remove n minus 1 colors. If you have some n colors which are adjacent to each other, you need to remove n minus 1 colors, because if you remove any of the color in between, the other two will become adjacent. Now let's say this example. Now we see only one color, it doesn't matter, we should not we cannot remove the color. We can remove, but it will time will be more. Now if you have these two, I can remove any of these two, which is minimum. If you have three, you can remove, should remove at least two. We have seen, right? If you remove only one, the other two will become adjacent. Now we have three. If I am removing these two will be adjacent. If I am removing this, these two will be adjacent. So you can remove at least two. So here we will take the minimum of 2 and we will remove it. This similar. So I think you have got this. With greedy, yes, greedy will definitely work here. No need of DP. Now I think you have got the logic. Try to code yourself. Try for at least 10 minutes to code. If you code this logic, then only you will improve the. You can write different codes in your favorable language. And while thinking, you will try to able to write the logic. Now if you see the coding part, then like you will write the way I wrote. So I will not recommend to do that. Now let's see. Now if you have this example, so we will code in a simpler way. I think you have tried it. We will use sliding window and we will try to code. We will take the two indexes I and j, which are at 0 at this position. At 0th index, we have needed time, something like 10, 5, 2, 4. We have, I think these are times. My and j are same. I will go till my both are not equal. I will go now h dot carry j should equals to I. Now ij are equal, it will come here, then it will come here, then it will come here. At this point it will fail because these are not equal. Now from I to j, I will calculate all the sums. 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4, which is 21, right? 21. After 21, I need to remove the maximum thing, which is 10. So my 11 is my answer here. 11 is my answer. Why the maximum part? Because we need the minimum time. We will need the minimum time. If you consider 10, my time will increase. Now we have reached here. Now my I will be equals to j. See here, my I will be equals to j, and then we will follow the same approach. This is the coding. Now we will say we have taken the maximum and we are calculating. Now can we optimize it? Can we make this this thing into a single loop? Try it yourself. Try by yourself. Can we make this into the single loop? I think you have understood it. So we can make it. Now if you see here, instead of we are adding here the maximum time, we are taking s plus s needed of j, because these are all equal. Now if you have only one element, my I and j are equal, and my sum and the maximum will be equal. And the sum minus maximum both are equal. That's why it will be definitely 0. If you have that doubt, if you have only one element, it will be definitely 0. My answer will be written as 0. So here, now if you see here, I is iterating n times and my j is also iterating n times. It will be order of n plus n. It is looking like order of n square, but it is no, because I will iterate till the n, my j will iterate till then it's over. Order of n plus n, and I am not using any extra space here, so it will be order of 1. So I think you understood it. So if you understood it, please do consider to like, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.